First off, we've got menu, SD card, power adapter, some screws and spanners, and a smart camera. We can see the card slot location, power interface, and reset button. We may not insert the SD card. And power it on. There are things you need to pay attention. Make sure that the green light is on down from the camera. Use the reset button to get the camera restarted. You can proceed after doing it. If we want to download an applications monitor, we can find the QR code on the menu and scan and download or search iCloud on App Store to download. After downloading, let's try it. Sign up an account as for the first time you use it. Log in. Before loading the device, please note that your phone and the camera should be in the same network. Then we can get the process started. Scan the code from the button of the camera to get the camera connected with the phone. Select wireless installation. If you're here, please use app for Wi-Fi configuration, now or before. You can click there's voice prompt and send. Then type your Wi-Fi password to connect. The phone is being searched while the system is matching. The phone may need to be as much near as possible. When you hear Wi-Fi configuration success, it means it is successfully connected. Click bind directly or wait for the next step automatically. If you haven't heard the prompt, clicking bind directly will not work. Add camera. After adding the camera successfully, modify the default password of the camera. See, we got a camera now. Next, we see some buttons here. We can capture and record. You need to format SD card as for the first time you install it.